Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. Today we're going to take a deep dive into a topic that's perfect for anyone looking to start an online business or expand their income streams. This is a tutorial on how to make money with Spring, formerly known as Teespring. So whether you're just starting out or already familiar with the platform, this guide will provide you with actionable tips to maximize your profit. So let's get started. First, let's start with the basics. Springs is a print-on-demand platform that allows you to design and sell custom merchandise without worrying about inventory, shipping, or upfront costs. Unlike traditional e-commerce models where you need to purchase products in bulk, Spring handles everything for you. You create the designs, list them on your storefront, and when a customer makes a purchase, Spring prints, packs, and ships the product directly to them. Now, the step one here is signing up and setting up your store. So getting started is very easy. First, go to the Spring website and sign up for a free account. Now, once you've logged in, you'll be prompted to set up your storefront. This is where branding becomes crucial. Your store should reflect your brand's identity. Choose a memorable name and then create a unique logo and design a visually appealing banner. Additionally, take the time to fill out your store's About section. This is where you can tell your story, explain what your brand stands for, and connect with your audience on a personal level. A compelling About section can help build trust and encourage potential customers to make a purchase. Step 2 is by researching and finding your niche. Well, finding your niche is a critical step that can determine the success of your Spring store. A niche is a specific segment of a market that you'll target with your products. So by focusing on a niche, you can tailor your designs to meet specific needs and preferences of a particular audience, make it easier to stand out in a crowded marketplace. If you want to find your niche, start by thinking about your interests, passions, and the communities you're already part of. Then, research popular trends with these areas using tools like Google Trends, social media hashtags, and niche-specific forums or Reddit communities. So look for gaps in the market where you can offer something unique. For example, if you're into fitness, you might create a line of motivational gym apparel. Or if you're a gamer, you could design merchandise that caters to specific gaming communities. Now let's move on to step number 3. This is designing your products. Right, so this is very creative part of your success. So even you're not a graphic designer, there are plenty of user-friendly tools available to help you create stunning websites. One is the Spring's built-in design tool. It's a great place to start your business, but you can also use other platforms like the Canva, Adobe Spark, or even hire a freelance designer if you want something more professional. So when designing, keep your target audience in mind. What kind of design would resonate with them? Consider trends, but don't be afraid to add your own unique twist. Simple, bold designs often work best, especially when it comes to apparel. It's also important to think about the types of products you'll be offering. So Spring allows you to create a wide range of products from t-shirts and hoodies to mugs, phone cases, and even home decor items. Now let's go to the step number 4, which is the pricing strategy and profit margins. Pricing your products correctly is a crucial for maximizing your profits. So here, Springs allows you to set your own prices, giving you full control over your profit margins. However, it's important to strike a balance between making a profit and offering competitive prices. Start by researching what similar products in your niche are selling for. So this will give you a benchmark to work from. Remember that Spring's base cost varies depending on the product, so factor this into your pricing. For example, if a t-shirt costs $10 to produce and you want to make $10 profit, you would set the retail price at $20. So it's also worth considering offering different price or pricing tiers for different products. For example, you might price t-shirts more affordably to attract a larger audience, while premium items like hoodies or limited edition designs could be priced higher. Now, the next step is marketing your store and products. Okay, so once your store is set up and your products are listed, the next step is getting the word out. So effective marketing is key to driving traffic to your Spring store and converting visitors into your customers. Social media is one of the most powerful tools at your disposal. Platforms like the Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, they are visual by nature, making them perfect for showcasing your designs. So create engaging content that highlights your products in real-world settings. For example, you can post photos or videos of people wearing your apparel or using your products. User generated content such as customer reviews and photos can also be incredibly effective. So, if you're willing to invest in paid advertising, platforms like Facebook and Instagram offer targeted ad options that can help you reach a broader audience. Start with a small budget to test different ad creatives and see what resonates with your audience before scaling up. Now, another way is email marketing. This is the another effective strategy. Encourage visitors to sign up your email list by offering a discount on their first purchase. Once they're on your list, you can send them regular updates about new products, upcoming promotions, and special offers. Lastly, consider collaborating with influencers in your niche. Influencers already have a built-in audience that trusts their recommendations. So by partnering with them, you can tap into their follower base and boost your sales. The next step here is the utilize Spring's advanced features. Spring offers a range of advanced features that can help you optimize your store and increase sales. One of the most powerful tools is the analytic dashboard. This tool provides you with valuable insights into how your store is performing, including which products are selling well, where your traffic is coming from, how customers are interacting with your store. So here you can use this data to make informed decisions about your marketing strategy, product offerings, and pricing. Now, another feature to explore is the ability to create discount codes. So offering discounts can be a great way to incentivize first-time buyers or encourage repeat purchases. You can create percentage-based discount, dollar off discounts, or even offer free shipping on certain orders. So Spring also offers a feature called Boosted Network, which automatically lists your products on third-party marketplace like Amazon and eBay. So this can help you reach a wider audience without any additional effort on your part. It's an optional feature, one worth considering if you want to expand your reach. Now, the last step here is scaling your business. As your store starts to gain traction and you see consistent sales, it's time to think about scaling up. Scaling doesn't mean increasing the number of products in your store, though that's part of it. It also means refining your process, exploring new marketing channels, and then potentially even outsourcing some tasks to free up your time. Consider expanding your product range to include more items that align with your niche. For example, if you start with just t-shirts, you might add hoodies, stickers, or tote bags to your store. You can also explore creating limited edition collections or seasonal products to help you offerings fresh and exciting. So if you haven't already, this is also a good time to invest in paid advertising, further boost your sales. As you scale, you might also want to consider outsourcing tasks like design, customer service, or social media management so you can focus on growing your business. And finally, keep an eye on your analytics and continuously optimize your store. Regularly review your pricing, design quality, and marketing strategies to ensure you're always moving in the right direction. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to make money with Spring, formerly known as Teespring. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.